Hello, roamers, and welcome to this room tour from Beaches Turks and Caicos, the S1 Seaside one-bedroom concierge villa suite. We're going to give you a quick walkthrough of this room. And Megan, you just returned from staying in one of these rooms in Beaches Turks and Caicos in this very building, correct?
Exactly. Yes, it was a wonderful stay. You know, we were in the French Village to start and then moved over to this one bedroom. And let me tell you, it was so spacious. So when you first walk in, it's a bright, airy, open room, nice, big, long patio so we can spread out there.
Beautiful colors. I love the dark grays with the pops of like the yellows. It just feels like you said, you know, we were talking about before, super beachy.
Yes. And this is a concierge suite. A concierge suite, which they will make some, reservations for you if you want to do a glass bottom boat tour, or if you'd like any bottles of alcohol in your room, they will deliver that to you because you're in concierge room as well.
Very nice. I love that porch, that space outside. Now, talk to us a little bit about the bedding situation here in the family room.
So out here in the family room, there is a Murphy bed that pulls down from the wall. It's twin size. And then there's also a great pull-out couch, which was very comfortable, nice and big. What's great, housekeeping would do a turn-down service in the evening. So they'd open these up in the evening for the kids, but then during the day, they'd close them up. So when we came back for an afternoon break, these would be all closed up, and we'd have a nice big open living room again.
I love that. I love a good turn-down service every night. That's the best. You really feel like you're on vacation.
Is.
All right. I think this is the highlight of the room, personally. This bathroom is absolutely beautiful. Tell us a little bit about it.
You know, the double sinks was really nice to have. We have 4 in our family, so we were able to spread out, which is great. The soaking tub was the focal point of the room. It was beautiful. My daughter took a bath every single night. The rain showers were heavenly after a long day at the beach, so that was wonderful. Just the little touches and details in that bathroom were beautiful.
All right. Moving into the primary room. Yeah, it is beautiful.
Nice king-size bed. Now, what I loved, my room was a little different than this one that we're seeing here, but in ours, from the primary room, you could walk out onto the balcony. So if the kids are sleeping in the living room, we didn't disturb them at all. We could go out and have a drink out on our patio, listen to the ocean in the background. It was wonderful.
And this one right here, it's you still have a balcony. It's just not a full wraparound.
Right. I really think this room is perfect for a family of, 2 to, I think it can sleep up to 5.
I think it's 5, correct? Yes.
Yeah. So it really allows you to spread out and feel like vacation.
I love it. Thank you so much for sharing your experience.
My pleasure.
If you're interested in connecting with us, you can head to Facebook /WhereWeRoamPod. Have a great day.